And it's advised 2984 behind departing line up runway 28.
Behind departing traffic line up runway 28 and wait. 2984.
Qatar A380 November, I'll need to give you a turn to the northwest soon to keep you in controlled airspace.
Qatar A380 November, we'd like to maintain 5,000 feet, and could you give us a vector around the airport, because we have a problem to retract the landing here.
Qatar A380 November, understood, turn left heading 020.
Left heading 020, Qatar A380 November. Neighbor Center, Qatar A380 November, super. We'd like to enter a hold in the vicinity of the airport, please.
Sorry, Qatar A380 November, you'd like to enter the hold in what position?
Stand by, please. Qatar A380 November, super. Initially, we'd like to hold over Mike Lima if possible, but anyway, we'd like to fly away to dump the fuel for the landing because for the time being, we are unable to retract the landing here. You need to contact company to make the decision what the company needs to us in that case.
Okay, I'll continue to vector you to the north, positioning you for a return to Melbourne.
That is continuing out for the time being, Qatar A380 November.
Qatar A380 November, how long until you'd be able to make a return?
Qatar A380 November, we still need to decide where to go with calling the company now, and we also will need to dump fuel, which will take a while.
Qatar A380 November, roger. Qatar A380 November, climb to 6,000. I need you at that level for a fuel dump.
As I climb 6,000, Qatar A380 November.
Qatar A380 November, you're happy to be radar vectored up to the north and then back down to the south. I'll need to take you back down to that position where you turned, which is over the bay for the fuel dump.
Qatar A380 November.
Qatar A380 November, turn left heading 350.
Heading 350, Qatar A380 November.
Qatar A380 November, turn left heading 160.
Heading 160, Qatar A380 November.
Qatar A380 November, if you could advise when you're ready to commence a fuel dump, and I'll position you into that area.
As I will advise as soon as possible, Qatar A380 November, thanks for the help.
Qatar A380 November, turn right heading 340.
Heading 340, Qatar A380 November.
Qatar A380 November, are you able to accept climb to 9,000?
Hey firm, we can accept climb to 9,000, Qatar A380 November.
Qatar A380 November, climb to 9,000.
9,000, Qatar A380 November.
Qatar A380 November, turn right heading 240.
Heading 240, Qatar A380 November. Apologies for the delay about the decision, it should be coming up soon.
That's understood.
Qatar A380 November, we are now ready to dump fuel, we can go to the dump area.
Qatar A380 November, understood. I'll just keep you a bit tighter in the bay area. There will be some shorter legs to keep you over the water, if that's okay.
Copied, and just when we can start the dump, Qatar A380 November, thanks.
Will do. Before you do, how long will that take?
Stand by. Qatar A380 November, it will take about 4 or 5 minutes to dump fuel.
Qatar A380 November, understood. Could you advise POB dangerous cargo, please?
Hello, just stand by. Qatar A380 November, we have dry ice, response code is 9 Lima. We have the total on board is 350, Qatar correction 350 plus 29 crew.
Qatar A380 November, thanks. And will you require any services on return?
Negative, just to advise you, we will require to do an Autoland in Melbourne if they can assist with that. And we might also be doing an overweight landing. Qatar A380 November.
Qatar A380 November, that is understood. Turn right onto a heading of 120. I will advise when you can commence the fuel dump. And the legs will be approximately 10 miles long where I'll need to keep turning you.
And copied, heading 10 to the right now, Qatar A380 November.
All traffic Melbourne Centre in the Port Phillip Bay area. There is an A380 about to commence a fuel dump. That will take place until approximately time the hour. Qatari 28 November, you can commence dumping.
Okay, we can commence dumping, Qatari 28 November.
All A35, checking for French Island Coastal.
F35 is an A380 currently in the Central Bay area conducting a fuel dump. I suggest you remain well clear of Port Phillip Bay.
Clear of Port Phillip Bay, roger, Pole A35. And Pole A35, what's the present position of the A380?
Beam Ricketts Point. He's on his third circuit of the bay, so yeah, he's leaving a fair vapour trail.
Pole A35.
Qatari 28 November, turn right heading 210.
210, Qatari 28 November.
Pole A35, this A380, is this aircraft just north of Queenscliff now? AFM, we have that traffic inside, Pole A35.
And Melbourne, Qatari 28 November, to advise you after we finish the fuel dump, we will require to further reduce our landing weight, so we will be requiring to hold for another 30 minutes.
Qatari 28 November, Roger, you'd be happy to be radar vectored for that hold, or do you want a pattern?
AFM vectors will be good, Qatari 28 November for that hold.
Qatari 28 November, turn right heading 320.
Heading 320, Qatari 28 November.
Qatari 28 November, continue the turn heading 330.
330, Qatari 28 November.
Qatari 28 November, any estimate on how much longer for the fuel dump?
It will be around 5 minutes more, Qatari 28 November.
Roger. Qatari 28 November, turn right heading 110.
That's heading 110, Qatari 28 November.
Pole A35, request an approximate location of the A380.
He's pretty much over Bay West this time, heading 110. Pole 35, he hasn't got within 2 to 3 miles of the eastern coast of the bay at any stage. If you stay coastal, you'll be well clear of the vapour.
That's Upland, Pole A35.
28 November, we finished the fuel dump, and now we will burn extra fuel to reduce the weight.
Qatari 28 November, copied. Qatari 28 November, turn right, heading 290.
Right heading 290, Qatari 28 November.
Qatari 28 November, do you wish to hold for 30 minutes, or do you want 30 minutes until touchdown?
To hold for 30 minutes to burn, Qatari 28 November.
Roger. Be radar vectored all the way around the terminal area.
Thank you very much, Qatari 28 November.
Qatari 28 November, would you prefer descent?
Qatari 28 November, are we clear of the dump area now?
Hey, firm.
So we can descend, Qatari 28 November, thanks.
Qatari 28 November, when ready, descend to 6,000.
Ready to descend 6,000, Qatari 28 November.
Qatari 28 November, a right turn now for final would give you approximately 12 minutes to run. Is that enough, or do you require more time?
More than enough time, Qatari 28 November, thanks.
Qatari 28 November, Roger, turn right heading 160.
Heading 160, Qatari 28 November, just a reminder, we'll be doing an Autoland if you can relay to the tower.
Hey, firm, Qatari 28 November, descend to 5,000, be radar vectors for the ILS runway 16.
5,000, vectors ILS 16, Qatari 28 November.
Qatari 28 November, turn right heading 280, descend to 4,000.
Heading 280, descend 4,000, Qatari 28 November.
Could you give us some downwind, like a few miles more downwind? We need extra 5 minutes, please.
I'll have to give you climb.
Okay.
Qatari 28 November, Roger, turn right heading 340, climb to 5,000.
Right heading 340, climb 5,000, Qatari 28 November.
How many miles would you like?
Let's say like 5 miles extra.
Qatari 28 November, I'll give you a left turn for base leg in 5 miles. I'll give you approximately 30 miles to run.
Okay, I will advise you when I'm ready for the base, okay?
Roger.
28 November, super, we are ready for the base.
Qatari 28 November, Roger, turn left heading at 270. It'll be a short base leg.
Heading 270, Qatari 28 November.
Qatari 28 November, your position 22 miles north of the field and approaching the 16 localizer from the left-hand side. Make a pilot intercept from your current heading of 180.
The step localizer from current heading 280, Qatari 180, Qatari 28 November.
Qatari 28 November, descend to 4,000, cleared ILS approach.
Descend 4,000, cleared ILS 16, Qatari 28 November.
Qatari 28 November, contact Melbourne Tower. Tower 120.5.
Tower 120.5, Qatar A380 November, thank you very much for that assistance.